Hi everyone, it's Alyssa and we're here in my kitchen to explore my spice rack. So this is our first installment in the new Spice Up Your Kitchen series where we explore different dried herbs and spices that maybe you've never tried before or maybe you'd like to try some new recipes for. I figured this was a really fun extension of Book Cooks, and we do have a couple of cookbooks all about different spices. I can help you find some different recipes and different cookbooks. But for the most part, we're just gonna have fun exploring and learning something new. So from my spice rack this month, I brought Tarragon. I actually really like Tarragon. My favorite way to use it is with a white fish and some lemon and butter. There is a white fish recipe in your Tarragon pamphlet that I found online. Figured that you might like to try that as well. If you don't like fish, you could just try it with chicken breast. Similar effect. But today I'm just gonna make a quick and easy dip that is also in your pamphlet. Really easy to put together. I've got all my ingredients right here. I'll show you how it's done. This is a really great dip. I actually like to dip like cut up cubed I pre-cook it, chicken breast. I like to do that. I like to batch cook my proteins for the week. And so sometimes I'll just cube up and cut some chicken breast and then I'll make a dip like this. I'll bring it to work and I'll put the dip in a container and I'll dip my chicken in there for some extra flavor and have some veggies on the side. It's also great for veggies. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how it's done. Okay, so this is a sour cream base. So I'm just gonna use some sour cream. And I'm not making a full portion of this. I'm not making the full recipe. I'm just making something that I can take with me to work today. So it's just a little bit of sour cream. Some Dijon mustard, just a little bit. This particular one is really strong. Some lemon juice. We need a little bit of acidity to brighten everything up. And kind of loosen up that sour cream as well. Our tarragon. Some powdered garlic. And salt and pepper. I'm just going to mix it together. I'm going to give a little taste just to see if the mustard and lemon juice and salt balance is all right. Needs more pepper, actually. This is really good, actually. Okay, so what you're gonna do, especially because our tarragon is dried, and we have just put some pepper and garlic powder in there. What you want to do is you're going to put this in the fridge, let it sit for at least an hour so all of the flavors can come together. For me, that's great because I'm going to bring this to work, so it's going to sit in the fridge until lunchtime. And then you'll be able to get some of the nice warmth and flavor from the tarragon. So tarragon kind of always says it's like an anise or licorice flavored herb. I don't really get that. I get the warmth from the anise and kind of this round flavor, but it's just really warm. There are always some hints of a savory vanilla, if you can believe that. And it's just a really nice, interesting herb with an understated flavor. That's why I love it with chicken breast and a white fish. What makes it great for dip. I have some peppers, some bell pepper strips that I'm going to use for this, and that's it. That is my dip for today. Really simple. I hope that you enjoy exploring tarragon, and I hope that you have fun with the two recipes, and don't be afraid to look for more and enjoy exploring your spice cabinet. All right, that's it for me. I'll see you next month.